Imagine being a teenager in the 80s, stuck in a small town and dreaming of something big. Your only escape is coming from the blinking lights and the beeping sounds of an arcade machine. Now that's where The Last Starfighter begins. A film that took every gamer's fantasy and launched it straight into the stars. Welcome to the Nostalgic Corner, where we revisit the movies that shaped the 80s, the 90s, and of course the early 2000s. I am your guide through this time capsule, Dew the Gentleman. We go back in time to 1984. The movie The Last Starfighter features our hero, Alex Rogan, played by Lance Guest, spending his days fixing appliances at a dusty trailer park and his nights chasing high scores on a game called Starfighter. But when he finally achieves that highest score, he discovers that the game was no ordinary arcade challenge. It was actually a recruitment test for an intergalactic defense force. One minute he's playing the game, the next minute he's actually piloting a real starfighter defending the galaxies from alien invaders. Directed by Nick Castle, the movie broke new ground with its early use of computer-generated imagery, a bold move for 1984. While the effects might look primitive today, but back then they were jaw-dropping, offering a glimpse into the digital future of cinema. Another movie that followed in this digital footsteps was Tron, but that's a story for a different time. The Last Starfighter isn't just about flashy effects and space battles. It was about hope. It was about adventure. It was also about believing that there was more out there. It captures the universal 80s dream that the kid nobody notices might just save the universe. Robert Preston, of course, steals the show as Centauri, the sleek alien recruiter who brings Alex into the cosmic fold, mixing charm, wit, and just the right amount of mischief. His performance gives the movie a timeless energy that makes it as fun now as it was 4 decades ago. Sure, it's a little dated and a bit cheesy. Okay, maybe a lot cheesy, but that's the beauty of it. The Last Starfighter still feels like a beacon for every dreamer who ever stared at the stars and thought, what if? The Nostalgic Corner gives this 4 popcorn rating for its slick visuals and witty dialogue. And that's our trip to nostalgia. Till we meet again at the next one, keep your VCR or your VHS rewound, your one-liners loaded,